Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back into another day of Vlogmas, aka Christmas. This is my 31-day holiday marathon. I will be uploading every single day in December. I do a lot of pre-filming. However, if there's something you'd like to see, tutorial, whatever the case may be, please comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you do enjoy. It really does help me out. And there's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. We are diving right in. I have a lot to get through today. I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Frozen Kiss palette from Gourmande Girls. This was gifted to me. I do have a couple of shorts already up with swatches and things like that. And I think it is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful and perfect, in my opinion, for winter time. This does launch today, and I will put all the pertinent information, deets, pricing, and everything else right here on the screen, as well as in the description box. I do have an affiliated code with Gourmande Girls. It is RIRI10 for 10% off. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna do a look. Very quickly though, I did also make a purchase from Gourmande Girls. They did a 40% off sale for like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so I picked up a few things. I got the Glow and Go lip oil in the pink sparkle. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my lips right now. I do have another gloss that I purchased from her and I really love it. A little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine. They're pretty thin, they feel really good on the lips. So I picked this up. I also, and I'm going to demo this today, I got the Gourmande Girls Makeup Primer, little eye primer. I also picked up another one of her mascaras. I actually was gifted one when I made a purchase previously, and I have used the heck out of this, and I liked it so much that I purchased another one. I also picked up the El Camino palette. This was a collaboration with Gourmande Girls and Ladybug Glow. And then last but not least in my haul, I picked up the Paradise Cove, also in collaboration with Ladybug Glow. And this one definitely is a me palette, very green, very grunge. Yes, please. I'm so excited about that. So that is my little haul, and because it is the season of giving, of course, and y'all know I like to do secret giveaways, I'm going to be gifting somebody the El Camino palette. I'll throw in a couple of extra goodies, and all of the rules and everything are down below. And I have no idea, literally, what I'm going to do. I think this is stunning. I always kind of speak to that I like to have a little bit of neutrality in a palette, and then it's otherwise leaning like more purpley, tealy blue. And I like that there's a lighter shade kind of in each of the corresponding colors to kind of blend out. And these special shades in here, they're gorgeous. Cannot wait to put these on my eyes. I think, oh, I don't know what to do. I feel like I definitely want to play with this shade. It's got like a lot of like pink and teal. I think I'm gonna start here-ish. That is Winter Tide, and I'm gonna go in with a teeny tiny little brush. And I'm going to start very, very low, and I want to build this up to full opacity, full kind of like pan color. I'll keep it down low so that I have some space to blend this out, and you will see that I am just pushing the shadow into place, kind of just setting it down first. I am not worried about any type of blending or anything like that just yet, and I'm going to come over about halfway. I'm also going to run this down on the lower lash line to meet where I've stopped up here. I'm going to tap that brush off, and I'm going to go over here into this beautiful teal shade. And from here, I'm going to do very small little circular motions. And I'm going to meet kind of where I've left off here, where that line of demarcation is between product and nothing. And what this is going to do is help me to keep this intensity that I'm kind of looking for, and then offer, and then give me that beautiful blend that I'm going for. Oh, that is so pretty together. And I don't often use blues. They're, full transparency, not my favorite eyeshadow color, but I think that this collectively is so incredibly beautiful. I think that it's perfect for winter time, or if you are somebody that you like more moody shades, you have a lot of that over here. It's a little bit pastelized. The special shades are incredibly beautiful, like based upon swatching. Or if you're literally just somebody that like you love purples and blues, I think you would absolutely love this. I think that's it for mattes. And I think for shimmer shades, I know for sure I want to use this probably on the inner portion. And I feel like I want to try this shade right here. So I'm going to put some of the primer on, and I think I'm going to go here and here. I never plan, y'all. I'm sorry about the sunlight. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh. It almost looks just like clear and silicone-y. Excuse all the eyeshadow on me. It feels pretty thin. It almost feels like a serum. Wow, I've never had an eyeshadow base that was quite this thin. That feels really nice. I'm gonna take a less is more approach here. That is typically kind of what I have found with glitter primers, and I'm gonna kind of go where the matte is, and I'm gonna go kind of where the matte has left off, and then make sure I take it over to the inner corner. I'm actually gonna press a little bit in the inner corner. It does feel tacky. It almost kind of reminds me, it's slightly thinner than, but it kind of reminds me of like the e.l.f. Power Grip, like primers and stuff like that. I'm just gonna use my finger like I usually do. This is the shade Snow Globe. And I feel like you can kind of like take whatever shade you kind of want to, or you can mix them all together collectively as one shade, and it's kind of a marbled shade. I'm going to pop that on the ball of the eye and bring it almost all the way in. I definitely want to save some room for the other shade. And I'm seeing a lot of teal, blue, purple. Ooh. And tons of sparkle, tons of glitter. I'm going to kind of reach in right there because I kind of want to get a little bit of that gold in there as well. And depending upon how you pick this up and kind of how strategic you place it, it's going to make it look different on the eye, like kind of however you choose to manipulate it. Then just with my finger, I'm gonna go in with ice crystals. And this is another one that it's got like a lot of gold and like purples and blues. I think it's super, super pretty. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner, bring it up just a touch, and I'm just using my fingers. You obviously could go in with brushes. You can use a silicone applicator, you can use a sponge, whatever is easiest for you. And now, because I do want to kind of make sure that I'm really in that inner corner, I'm going to go in with a REFERRAL 03. It's a teeny tiny little brush, and I want to pick that up. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm seeing like peach and green and like a goldy. Ooh. That is beautiful. And I actually think I want to add a little bit more blue out here, just to intensify it a little bit. I'm also going to add a little bit right here, just because I feel like I lost a little bit of it. And then with that same exact brush, I actually want to go into this beautiful deep dark purple. This is Cold Snap. I'm going to put that on the inner portion on the lower lash line. I'm going to go back into this brush, back into ice crystals. And I want to put that up on my brow bone. I like that primer. Sometimes these sticky primers can feel a little bit too sticky, but this does not. Like, I really like that. Well, you know, obviously I'll report back to you guys and let you know how everything wore. I am also going to go ahead, I don't have blush on just yet, but I'll pop some on. I'm going to go into this as well as my highlight shade. And obviously it's going to be a little bit chunkier as a highlight. I don't mind that. I think it's really pretty. And I like to meet my eye look with my highlight. And I'm kind of pressing it in, kind of manipulating it into the skin, if you will. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. All right, let me do the other side off of camera. I'll BRB. Here are the eyes so far. I did blush and bronze up with the Smashbox Halo palette. This is the Sculpt Glow palette in pink saturation. And I went in with the blush and then both of these kind of blushy bronzery shades to bronze up the skin. Now I'm gonna go in with a blue and a purple eyeliner. These were gifted to me and I do have an affiliated code with them. They're from ROUGE Cosmetics. They reached out and they kind of specialize in long wearing like makeup for more mature eyes, more mature skin and stuff like that. But y'all, I've been wearing the heck out of these and they are bulletproof. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my REFERRAL eyelash curler and then I'm gonna go in with my Gourmand Girls mascara. And then to finish off, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Ice Crystals. I'm gonna pick up like a little bit, like I'm just barely tapping into it. I still have that little oil on. Ooh, perfect. All right, let me bring you guys close. And here's the finished look. And that is it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you're interested in getting that palette. Of course, I'll send a few extra things. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, please, if you did enjoy the video. Thank y'all so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Ooh, this is close, y'all. Real close. Bye, guys. Bye, you guys. Bye.